Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to correct a common preconception: impressive performance doesn't always have to come in a bulky, towering case. As you can see, the form factor of this device completely redefines our notion of a desktop computer. It is a mini PC, yet its compact size is arguably its most modest feature. At its heart lies a full-fledged AMD Ryzen 5 processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, delivering enough power to smoothly handle everything from professional office work to 4K multimedia. We've paired it with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring that switching between multiple tasks feels effortless. What's even more ingenious is its connectivity. With 2 HDMI ports supporting 4K at 60 Hz, plus a Type-C video port, you can easily set up a highly efficient multi-monitor workstation with all cables neatly managed. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 guarantees it will have a stable, high-speed network connection in any desk setup. Therefore, its ideal spot might be behind your monitor or tucked away on a bookshelf. It doesn't seek to be the centerpiece of your desk. Rather, it aims to be your most reliable support. Whether for an impromptu international video call, a last-minute design render, or a movie after work, it's there. Quiet yet capable. This is more than just a computer. It's a philosophy of more elegant and efficient space utilization. It condenses vast performance into a compact footprint, thereby returning a more spacious desk and a clearer mind to each and every one of you. This is our new mini PC. Thank you.